In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from your bank account to Binance in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is of course open up the Binance app. And once you've opened up your Binance app, if you're not already, you just want to log in to your account. Next, what you want to do is in the bottom right hand corner, you should have a picture of a wallet saying wallets. So what you want to do is give that a click. And then from here, if you look at the top of the page, what you're going to want to do is click onto the one that says Spot. After this, what you're going to see is the option to deposit. So what you want to do is click the yellow deposit button. And from here, you want to make sure you're on cash. So if you look at the top, you've got the choice between crypto and cash. What you want to do is click onto cash and choose your currency from the list. So for the purpose of this tutorial, as you can see, I can't see Great British Pounds being in the UK, but I'm going to show you something you can do. So if you actually select any of these currencies, I'm going to go for Australian dollar. Next, what you're going to be presented with is some options of how to make the deposit. So you can see the recommended options here, or if you click onto other methods, you have got some other options available. And this does vary dependent on what currency you choose. So what I'm going to do is go with the recommended and click continue. And now from here, if you actually click onto the currency in the middle, we can now have a look and there's actually more currencies offered. And for myself in the UK, you can see Great British Pounds is now showing up. So I'm going to change it to that one and enter the amount that I want to do. So in this case, I'm going to go for 50 and then I'm going to click the yellow button at the bottom, which says buy BUSD. Now, what you're going to get is the option for how you want to do this. So in my case, I can either use a card or Google Pay. So I'm just going to select card and click confirm underneath. And then what you would do is just enter your information. So because I've chosen card, what I'm going to do is just enter my card details into here. And then I would just go ahead and enter my billing address. So of course I've blurred some of these out for security reasons. And once you filled that in, the confirm button at the bottom will be highlighted. Go ahead and click confirm and you will be able to go ahead and deposit money into your Binance account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.